Hi, I'm Dana Kiser, founder of DSPlife Collaborative. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through CareHub's revolutionary Daily Notes and Quick Log AI features. CareHub's Daily Notes feature includes 3 game-changing tools that work together. First, Quick Log AI. Speak or type a casual shift summary, and AI automatically fills out your daily note form with professional language. Second, Smart Support buttons. Quickly select which supports you provided during your shift, organized into clear categories. Third, Required PCP risk monitoring. Ensure every active risk in the individual's person-centered plan is properly monitored and documented. Let me show you how Quick Log AI transforms your documentation workflow. First, you'll select which individual you're documenting for from the drop-down menu. Then open the Quick Log AI panel in your daily note form. You can type a summary describing your shift in plain language, or click the microphone icon to use voice dictation. Just speak naturally. For example, you might say, "John had a good day today. We worked on his morning routine, helped him with medication at 9 a.m., went to the grocery store for shopping skills, and he practiced cooking lunch. He seemed happy and engaged." Once you have your summary, click Parse Summary and watch the AI work. It shows you a detailed preview with professional language, support categories it identified, and PCP data summary. If everything looks accurate, click Apply to Form, and the AI-generated content merges into your daily note fields. Smart Support buttons make selecting daily supports fast and organized. They're grouped into 5 categories: personal care, health and safety, household and skills, behavior and emotion, and community and recreation. For PCP risk monitoring, every active risk must be monitored before you can save a daily note. For each risk, check that it was monitored, document actions taken, and record your observations. Here are some best practices. Use Quick Log at the end of your shift while details are fresh. Speak naturally when dictating. Don't worry about clinical language. Always review the AI preview before applying, and monitor risks throughout your shift. Ready to experience CareHub for yourself? Visit carehub.my.dsplife.com to start your free trial. Transform your documentation and focus on what matters most, the people you serve.